guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you see in the title, this is probably going to be the first video of many. We are reviewing Amazon products on the bike. So this will be my first three. Is going to be the levers, the grips, and these mirrors. So I'm going to start off with the levers today. Right here are the levers up close. You can kind of see the little grain in them. They feel like plastic, pretty much like a hard plastic, because it's, I think I'm pretty sure it's 3D printed. Not bad for a 3D printed lever at all. This is them right here. These are the red ones I had before. I still have them, $43. Yeah, not bad at all. I think let me see what the other ones were. There you go. ASV for $190. It definitely looks a lot better. You can tell it's metal and it looks like it's something off a race bike. $90 freaking dollars. So for two of them, it would have been freaking over $200 just to get it like shipped here. But let's go ahead and get to the ride. But first, guys, this video is sponsored by Pour It On Me Daddy BBQ Sauce. Now, this is the best barbecue sauce I've ever had in my life. That's not really an exaggeration. I've had a lot of barbecue. You guys know, if you do know me, even on my other channel, I do like to cook some barbecue. So I've used this barbecue sauce quite a bit. So here we go. You got peach mustard, Latin flair, southern red, hobby mango, and hot apple Q. Yes, I did say Pour It On Me Daddy. That is the logo. It's only like $6. So I mean, if you don't like it, you only spent $6 on barbecue sauce. You could probably give to somebody else and they probably will like it. I would say this is a bestseller and this is a bestseller. Peach mustard is a good one to put on ribs. This is too hot for me usually. Hot apple Q, I like that a lot. This is not a dipping sauce, by the way. This is sauce you say, the way my dad cooks this, he puts it in a bowl and puts it on the grill and gets a smoky flavor in it, and and that's how he cooks it. But this is original sauce. Latin flavors are they're all really freaking good. I promise you will like it. Go check it out, link in the description, and let's get back to the video. First, I want to show you guys a little something. I got a little tire spin back there, wheel spin. I got an SS1LE. If you're not here for cars, then this doesn't matter to you, but if you are a car guy or anything, this might interest you. I have an SS1LE that my sugar mama just bought. You can check out my previous videos on that. But yeah, this is whatever. I don't know if it's whatever you want to call it. Just put an exhaust on it. So you guys subscribe if you like this type of stuff. I'm going to take it to the track. I'm going to do all kinds of stuff. I'm driving it today and doing some more videos. But let's get back to this. All right, so these levers, pretty damn good, I would say. Kind of. So let me go ahead and I think I recorded on the way up here, but then I didn't. I thought I was recording. I always do that where I thought I clicked record, but I actually didn't. So I'm recording this part again. Oh man, it feels so good to be back on the bike. So these levers, I wanted to get some gold levers back when this is maybe before I left Charleston. So this has had to be like a little bit, maybe April, March, something like that. And I was talking to my coworker. I was like, yeah, I want to get these gold levers. And I've seen some on Amazon. These other ones are like really expensive. Some cost me like $80 just to get a pair or something like that, or maybe over $100. And he was like, yeah, I wouldn't buy the cheap ones. I would go with the more expensive ones that are metal and all that stuff. And I was like, I guess, okay, so let me save some money. And then I saw these ones on Amazon, like I said, and I was like, man, I really don't want to spend. I mean, it's like exactly what I need or want and all that. And oh, something just hit me. And I went outside. I had some red ones on here before. I went outside, looked at what brand the red ones were, and they were the same brand as these ones. And I was like, well, shit, I guess I'm buying those gold ones. It shouldn't be a problem, right? So I bought these ones, and I mean, they don't, in terms of touch and feel, like actual touching it, it doesn't feel, I mean, it doesn't feel great. It's not metal or anything. So I mean, but it's still not bad, you know what I mean? You know what you're getting because you're paying like $40. I don't even remember how much these were. I think they were like $40 or something like that. So I mean, you get what you pay for. Mine came out pretty bumpy. Mine came out pretty good. I want to say these are 3D printed. I couldn't really tell you. I mean, if you guys are thinking about buying MZS, I mean, they're not bad. I mean, but if you really want quality, you know, something that feels better, I don't know. I think that wiggling is actually normal. I don't really know, but I mean, these look, from a distance you can't really tell. You get up on them, they look plastic, and you know, like you could just bend them and break them. But the other brand I was going to get was ASV, I think it was, or AVS, something like that. But yeah, I say I haven't had any problems with it. The red ones I had before, no problems with them. So I say it was a pretty decent buy for whatever, how much it cost, $45, $50 or whatever it was for the pair. But yeah, so these Amazon videos are gonna be pretty short. I'm about to go start this video for these things like right here. So click on to the next video if you want to see that. And yeah, I will see you when I see you.